I'm Malcolm Butler. I am the Senior AV Programmer and Planner for the University of Bedfordshire. We want to try and really raise the profile of this university, and when the STEM building came across our desk, I said, well, look, if this is going to kind of be the jewel in the crown, then it needs to be the shiniest jewel we can possibly make it.
Using Shure was a no-brainer, really, to be fair. We could put the Shure MXA910 in place where the architect wanted us to put it, and we could direct it and make sure we got the coverage across the entire space.
We wanted quality, we wanted durability. From a delivery standpoint on output, we wanted fidelity and clarity. We wanted something that was quite easy to use and then quite easy to either train or service from a support standpoint as well.
The ongoing support and maintenance of the products has been fantastic. I mean, you've put it in, and as with most Shure products we put in, we don't generally get any callbacks. Once it's in, it just sits there and works, and it's a robust, solid product that just keeps on doing what we need it to do.
Shure helped us in the fact that when we decided, okay, I think this is a solution that we want, that they were able to come in and say, okay, well, we can help you engineer that. The computer labs that we have here on the first floor and then the one that we have on the third floor are all using the MXA910s. We're also using them in a few other places where we're doing voice lift, and then we're using the QLX wireless system for presentation from the lecturers.
It allows us to have multiple people looking at students and working with students and being able to communicate across large spaces and making those students really feel a part of a much smaller class.
We have this huge space where everybody can kind of be in the class at one. We're no longer having to guess about levels, about where things are happening. The fact that the commissioning engineers were able to come in and kind of tune the room exactly to where we need it. There isn't much else that kind of really needs to be done on our side.
It's to do with the ceiling microphone arrays. The fact that it has Dante enabled on the microphone. The labs that we had to put them in are massive multifunction use labs. The lecterns have 6-7 different positions where we could possibly plug the lectern in, which meant the fact we can do it over their university network. Wherever we put that lectern and plugged it in, it would just work. If it was a traditional system, we wouldn't have had that ability.
Dan was instrumental in helping us to configure the spaces. He was able to re-engineer some things for us.
The way the technology allows things to be configured in different ways is a real benefit of the Shure product.
It's a very, very kind of unobtrusive sound that you can get, which is more natural versus something that's just kind of shouting at you.
It really has engaged the students. They're switched on, they're more akin to asking questions. There's far more lecture capture being used now. It really gives us an opportunity for everybody to have an excellent student experience and to get a really high level of sound.